Mississippi. Are you looking for a storm shelter, safe room, somewhere to keep your valuables safe, somewhere to keep your family safe, most importantly? Come check this out. Welcome to our showroom. First thing I really want to show you is, look, we are the best steel fabricator for 2022. We know what we're doing. We live, breathe, eat, sleep steel fabrication. We know how to build our storm shelters to keep your family safe. Come on in. So first thing we've got is our 4x4. Easy to shut the door. Even though it's a 600-pound door, really easy to open and close. We have a vent with a debris guard, so even if your entire house comes down, you still have airflow coming in. The 4x4 will fit 1 to 2 people comfortably. This is our 4x5. Our 4x5 will fit 2 to 4 people comfortably. Same thing, door still swings inward, still easy open and shut. Still have your vent with your debris guard. The 4x5 will get 1 bench. The 4x6, which is one of our most popular, actually will fit 4 to 6 people comfortably. Door swings inward. This one has the optional keypad lock on it. So if you want to put your valuables inside, go on vacation, throw your TV in there, throw homeowners paperwork, birth certificates, jewelry, throw it inside, keypad lock. You don't have to worry about it. That's 4x6. This one here is our 4x8. This one's another popular one. This one will fit 6 to 8 people comfortably. Still have the in-swing door. Still heavy duty. All built out of 1/4-inch steel plate. This one will have debris guards on both top and bottom, just the same as our 4x6. You have 1 high, 1 low. Come on, I'll show you this one. This one is our 5x8. This one's got even the side window, so you can see. From our 4x6 and above, we all have our L-shaped bench that's included in it. That way you can fit more people, sit comfortably. Can even put a shelf in there if you want to put a shelf in. Have optional gun mounts if you want to put gun mounts in. Comes in your choice of colors. They're all built out of 1/4-inch steel plate. All built and designed to keep your family safe. All of our rooms are customizable. We can put the door on the end. If you don't have room, you can put the door on the front, move the vents around. That's the great thing about us, building them ourselves. We can customize them. But if you say, oh, I don't have any room in my garage, you got a workbench shelter. Workbench shelter can go out on patio, can go out in your kitchen as an island. No problem getting in. Plenty of space. And you still have all of your reinforcements on the walls. This one's our 4x3x8 with the optional wooden top. And then you've got this one here. Wouldn't even guess that it's a workbench shelter, but if you don't want it for that, you still have all of your reinforcements. You got 4-inch channel on the roof to reinforce the roof. All of our shelters are built out of 1/4-inch steel plate, solid welded on all 4 corners. We use 1/4-inch because it is durable. It'll take more of a beating. Most companies use 3/16, an 1/8 of an inch, or even 10-gauge steel. We don't play when it comes to your safety. So we use the thickest steel that we can. We also have a 600-pound door that swings in. Go in, shut the door, slam shut. Got the 3 bolts, slide across. No tornado or intruders coming in. Slide them back. Door swings open just as easy as it closed. We use 6-inch C-channel on the roof to reinforce the roof. Can hold 100,000 pounds of debris or a fully loaded dump truck. And she'll keep on going. We also use 4-inch channel on the walls to reinforce the walls. All of our shelters are EF5 rated, so they can take 450 mile-an-hour winds. Your normal EF5 tornado will have a wind speed between 261 and 318 miles an hour. Ours, thanks to these little bolts, can hold up to 450 mile-an-hour winds. So your family will be perfectly safe inside, even from a woman with a hammer. Let me go into a little bit more detail about these little anchors that we use. So these are a 5/8 Simpson Titan anchor, heavy duty. Each room, depending on the size, gets between 13 to 20 anchors. They have a 40,000 pound tensile strength and a 15,000 pound shear strength. So when you get 16 of them in a room, on top of your room already weighing between 3,000 and 5,000 pounds, it's not going anywhere. Even an EF5 will come through, try to take it out, she's not moving. One other thing while I'm still thinking about it, this is the same 1/4-inch steel plate that we use on all of our rooms. My husband even shot it with a .45. Just made a small dent. So not only is your family protected from tornadoes and flying debris, but they're also protected from intruders that come in. Come on down to the showroom, visit whenever you'd like. We're open Monday through Friday and on Saturdays. Bring the kids. We have a whole little area for kids to play. Bring your pets, dogs, cats, iguanas, doesn't matter. Come on in, take a tour. If you have any more questions, just go to the Q&A section of our YouTube channel. And if you have any other questions that's not answered there, give us a call. Listen, don't take any risks with your family. Give us a chance to earn your business, to protect your family. Thank you for visiting Providence Storm Shelters.